Diwali. Namaste to all of you Indians, Pakistanians, United States. I don't care which country you're from. I love you all no matter what. Happy Diwali. May you have a beautiful Diwali even though you don't even celebrate this national holiday. I pray that you have good health, good family, good dog, good cat, good animal, good health, good everything. Have a very good Diwali. Hey guys, it's AK7DOLL TV and Happy Diwali! Let's move on to the unboxing. Okay, now let's get this package. Obviously, it has to be bigger than me when I'm sitting. We're not talking about that now. So, I want to give you an ASMR. Just a tiny, optional touch. So, I'm going to be quiet. Is it visible? Okay, not visible yet, but let's just throw that away. Now let's cut it deeper. It's not that deep. It's not actually cut yet, so let's... Okay, I think it's opening now. Okay, yeah, it's opening now. It has opened. Let's just slowly open the package. Okay, wait. There's this part. So just... they're good. That was so smooth. That was like so smooth. Oh my god. But, okay. We have done 2 unboxing of our bags so far, but this is another bag unboxing. Let's keep the scissors away because safety first, but I'm obsessed with bags right now, so 3rd unboxing officially. Now, let's continue on with the highlights of this product. Okay guys, now this is a safari backpack. And there's also a warranty, 12 months warranty. Today we're unboxing a safari backpack. This is the invoice copy. Now, let's get on with the unboxing. I'm going to be opening this bag in front of all of you so that you're just like, excuse me, you're not opening the bag. So I'm opening the bag like this. Is this plastic paper? Is this plastic scissor proof or something? There. Alright, time to open this in this side, not this side. Alright, is this enough? Yeah, let's just open it here. Alright, let's see if it's enough. Yeah, it's enough. So we're gonna squeeze it out. Wait, just struggling a bit. Ooh, this backpack is pretty big. This laptop safari backpack, I mean. And it is made of premium polyester fabric. Really nice, isn't it? Front easy access pocket. It is water resistant and dust proof. It comes with 2 side mesh, I'm going to show you here, for keeping water bottles in. It comes with padded shoulder straps so that it's very comfy when you're going on some sort of vacation or some sort of trip. It has ample space. I wonder how the last bag will feel after this. So let's just dive in. That's a lot of ample space. For the people who doesn't know what ample is, it's big space. I teach you guys everything. I teach something new to you guys. Oh wow, that's a lot of space for the first pouch right here. If you're going to an airport, well, not now, but if you bought this backpack before all of this pandemic stuff happened, make sure to keep your passports in this packet. So it's best that you keep them in the front pouch so that you can find them easily. Now let's continue. You could even just throw like an iPad in there or something. Your phone, your car keys, your pencils, your pencil box, tiny mini books that you might have for notes. And now let's move on to the second pouch. I wonder how big it will be then. Okay, I guess that's it. You can throw your mini laptop here if you have a mini one that can fit in the second pouch. I'm already impressed. Good job. So let's do the third one. Alright, the fourth one I mean. And this is where you can actually throw your big boy laptop in. And it also has this little strap thing so that your laptop won't just go like bonk, bonk, bonk when you're going on a trip. So make sure to secure this when you're putting your laptop in, okay? It should be safe. It should be safe. And in this space, you can throw anything that can actually fit here, to be honest. Like your clothes, like, your pants, your accessories, all of that stuff. Alright, now we are done backpack exploring. Yay, Dora Explorer, but tech version. This has 2 colors only. I think they'll be making more backpacks with more color options for the people who loves sassy. Whoa! Did I scare ya? Well, I didn't, of course. But I want to say this backpack has 2 color variants. One is black and one is grey. And I got the grey one because it's sassy. Now, we have spoken almost all the highlights in this about this backpack. Oh my god, I already fell in love with this backpack. And that this is a lightweight, classy, beautiful laptop backpack. Now let's see how well my laptop can go in the 4th compartment. Alright, now that I have my laptop right here, yes, this is my laptop, we are going to try to fit it in here. Or let's see if it fits well so that it doesn't go like rabber. I said rabber like 3 times. But so let's slowly keep it in our backpack so that it doesn't go insane. And keep this welt strap thing at the end so that you don't go like, you're going insane over that. So put the strap thing in here. Now boom. It's still very lightweight. And yeah, I'm confirmed that you can fit your MacBook and your Lenovo laptop bag or Windows laptop bag. It doesn't matter what company laptop is. It can fit in your bag. I'm guaranteed that it can fit in your bag. Now, bark, bark, woof, woof. Hope you enjoy my video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel. This Safari backpack will last you for several trips. This Safari backpack is perfect for everyday usage. This backpack is perfect for college, school, high school, and holidays, and so on. This Safari backpack is especially designed for today's fast-paced world. Alright guys, we are finally done with this video. We are at the end of this unboxing video, and I know this unboxing video is helpful to you. Make sure to share this video with your college, your high school, your middle school, blah, 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 blah. I know this will be very useful for them. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and join to my channel. Safari laptop backpack is everything. And I want the people that you know that. And love y'all. Mwah. Hope your family members and your friends are doing well. Love y'all. Mwah. Bye! And also, if you want to buy this bag really bad, it's in the link of the description as always. Bye-bye! Love you all and happy Diwali!